All right, so I'm gonna simplify this, and someone says, why would you do that? Because it's easy. All right, expanding these things is quite easy. So I'm gonna do, sort of one thing at a time. I'm gonna do this guy, I'm gonna do this guy, and this guy, one at a time. All right, let me write this down for you. So for the first guy, what do I get? I would get a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2. I'll be very careful. You're going to get AB minus AC, and then you're going to get minus BC. So that's done. I'm going to put the next guy down. This guy's done. Let's do this guy. What do you get? You would get A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2. Well, I got to be careful here. What are you going to get? Let's look at it. You can get BC, and then you can get minus AB. And then you can get minus AC. Let's do the next guy. That's the third one. I'm doing this over here. You still get A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2. What are you going to get? Let's take a look at this. You're going to get AC. And then what? Let's see. AC minus BC. And then what are you going to get? Minus AB, right? And that's the left side. A lot of business going on there. I mean, there really is. What do I notice, though? I noticed that, all these guys over here, it's all the same bit, basically, right? So I hope you realize you get 3 of those. So that's where I see this. And then I'm looking at this other part. It's more complicated. But I want to point out, what I'm noticing is, I'm noticing I'll have a coefficient of a 2. And I want to be careful about this. I'm going to use my highlighter. I'm going to look at AB. Well, you know what? That disappeared, right? That's good news. The AC disappears. That's good news. And what else? The BC disappeared. And what are you left off with? Something pretty simple, right? You left off with minus AB, minus AC, minus BC. So I would factor the minus 1 out, and what do you get? Minus 2 AB, AC, and you get BC. All right? That's a C. Let's see if they have that written down. I'm seeing the minus 2. Let's see, AB, AC, BC. I got that. It's covered. Completely covered. All right, next thing I got this guy. This guy sure does look like the other guy, right? AB, AC, BC. Different order, but nonetheless, it's the same thing. All right, so what did I do there? Well, I added 2 of them to both sides, all right? So what do you get? Let's go back to that. You know what? Let me erase things I'm done with. I'm done verifying that, what we said we need to verify. I'm going to tell you what we just verified, though. We verified this. Let me outline it for you. How'd I do that? By an expansion. That's all I did. All right? What I'm going to do now is add 2 of the quantity AB plus AC plus BC to both sides. And you get this. You get 3 of these and 3 of those. Divide both sides by 3, and you get this over here. Now, by the way, someone says, gee, that looks familiar. And it should. Let's go back. And by the way, there's no need to do it again. We already showed that's true, that A squared plus B squared plus C squared is greater than AB plus BC plus AC. We've already shown that. So this has already been done. Let me go back to that. I know it seems like a while ago that you did that, but you already did this. We know this is true. Now certainly, it does already, it says in the notes here, it's already been shown to be true if all the letters represent unequal positive numbers. All right, we did that. All right. You know what? I haven't done it in a while. My name is Ron Bannon, and my email address is Bannon. B as in boy, whoops, B as in boy, the @ NNON.US. And again, I'm looking for comments related to errors in the document or criticism about something that might be written down in the document. That would help improve it. I would appreciate that. Thank you.